Title of the experiment: Resolving power of prism. To determine the resolving power of prism, for that the required apparatus are spectrometer, mercury source, prism, auxiliary slit, traveling microscope, reading leads, etc. It is the experimental optical ray diagram. It is the prism, it is the base of the prism, and these two are the refracting edges of the prism. It is collimator of the spectrometer used in the laboratory, practical darkroom lab, and it is the telescope of that traveling microscope, or you can say the spectrometer, for recording the readings. It is the ray coming from the source through the auxiliary slit through the collimator on one of the refracting surface of the prism, of which resolving power has to be determined. Now, this ray, in single incident ray, refracts through the another refracting surface of the prism, and it deviates when it goes parallel to the base. It deviates and forms the different angles according to the wavelengths of different colors, that is red, yellow, violet, blue, green, violet, because a single white monochromatic light, when refracts through the prism, it splits into 7 color spectrum, that is the noted through this telescope. Here we have to use Cauchy's formula, mu equal to A plus this B upon zeta square, and calculate B. A plus B upon this plus mu B is equal to sine of theta plus delta theta upon 2 upon sine theta by 2. These are the required formulae. Now, wavelength of green light as by standard chart, it is 54607 angstrom. Wavelength of blue line 4358 angstrom, and wavelength of yellow line or yellow doublet, because in the spectrum of 7 color, yellow color is at the center of that spectrum, and it is just somewhat thick as compared to other spectral lines in the spectrum, and that's why that yellow band is, or yellow spectral line, since it is thick compared to other lines, spectral lines, is called as yellow doublet. Since it is doublet, it is having two lanes, two spectral lines very close to each other. From that, first is Y1 having 5790 angstrom wavelength, and another is Y2 having 5769 angstrom unit. These are the two very close wavelength lines. Therefore, we have to take its average as Y and difference as this. Now, what is RP? That is the resolving power of the prism. According to its definition, resolving power of the prism is the ratio of average wavelength to the change in wavelength, and according to that, by these observatory calculations, this comes out to be RP equal to, or resolving power of the prism, equal to 275 calculated. It has no unit because it is the ratio of same two quantities, means wavelength by wavelength. Numerator is the average in wavelength and denominator is the difference in wavelength. After all, numerator and denominator is having same unit, and that's why the resolving power is a constant number without any unit. You have to note this point carefully. Now, we have to manipulate or complete this whole experiment with the help of these observation tables. Spectrometer reading for refracted slit and refracted slit from other side, and angle of prism, and divided by 2, it is 2 theta, and it is by 2. Therefore, it is the unit, the reading recorded in one window of the spectrometer, it is in another window of the spectrometer. While we are adding this, then it will be equal to this, and by it is equal to 2 theta, and it is equal to 2 theta by theta is only theta, that is the angle of prism theta is equal to 60 degree. degree. As you know well, the prism we are using in the laboratory is exactly the triangle having three angles are equal and each angle is of 60 degree. That has to be practically proved here. Now the second part, determination of angle of minimum deviation. Here we are taking some colors from that 7 colors as color band, their respective wavelengths, spectrometer reading in both the windows, and angle of minimum deviation as delta equal to A difference B. It is reading A, it is reading B. When we are seeing the direct image, it is color blue having this wavelength, green color having this wavelength angle, and yellow is having this, and it is the white light reading. It is the actually reading for blue color, green color, yellow color, and it if we are taking the difference, then it comes out to be this. Delta B is the angle of minimum deviation for blue color, delta G angle of minimum deviation for green color, and delta Y angle of minimum deviation for yellow color. It is equal to this. Now the third one, determination of slit width using auxiliary slit. It is the microscope reading line just resolve as x centimeter 0.163, and in for y extremity it is 0.021, and therefore we are taking here slit width as a equal to x difference y. It comes out to be 0.142. Now according to the formula, this mu b, that is the refractive index for blue color, is equal to 1.63. That for b equal to mu b minus mu y upon this into this, and therefore this b is equal to this. Therefore RP of prism equal to 282. Angle of prism theta 60 degree 12 minutes. Slit width, as we are using their auxiliary slit, 0.142. RP of prism theoretically, practically 282, and for theoretically it is 275 angstrom. While performing this experiment for the examination, or while you are facing the online practical examination, you have to remember what apparatus we are using here, what should be determined here, what is the RP of prism, means defined resolving power, what is there any difference between resolving power of prism and resolving power of the plane diffraction grating, what is the unit of plane diffraction grating. If yes, then you have to mention that unit. If that quantity is not having the unit, then you have to also define there, explain there the reason of not having the unit, and so on. It is totally the optics experiment, so therefore you have to explain it in detail as the base of optics.